Do you find it difficult to speak English fast and fluently? Speaking head, don't worry. Today, we are going shopping at the market. Shopping cart, you will learn easy sentences, new words, and practice fast English speaking. Let's begin and make your English strong together. Every Saturday morning, I visit the local market near my house. The market is always full of life, colors, sounds, and smells. As soon as I enter, I can hear the voices of the shopkeepers calling out loudly, "Fresh fruits! Fresh vegetables! Come and buy!" Their voices mix together like a song of the market. I look around and see rows of shops on both sides. Some shops are small stalls with baskets of fruits, while others are big shops with shelves full of groceries. I enjoy walking slowly through the market because there is always something new to see. First, I stop at the vegetable stall. The vegetables are bright and fresh. Green beans, red tomatoes, orange carrots, and purple brinjals all look so colorful together. The shopkeeper smiles at me and asks, "What do you need today?" I tell him, "Please give me half a kilo of tomatoes and 1 kilo of onions." He quickly picks the best vegetables and puts them in a bag. I pay him with coins, and he thanks me politely. I like the way the market sellers speak to customers. They are friendly and helpful. Next, I move to the fruit section. This is my favorite part of the market. I can see bananas, apples, oranges, grapes, and mangoes. The sweet smell of ripe mangoes makes my mouth water. I ask the fruit seller, "How much are the bananas?" He replies, "Only 40 rupees a dozen." I happily buy 1 dozen bananas because they are fresh and yellow. I also buy some red apples for my family. As I take the bag, I feel happy because fresh fruits are healthy and tasty. As I walk further, I see a shop selling spices. The smell of spices is strong and rich. There are bags of chili powder, turmeric, coriander seeds, and cumin. The colors of the spices are so bright: red, yellow, brown, and green. The shop looks like a rainbow of flavors. I do not buy spices today, but I like to stand and look at them. The market is not just for food. There are shops selling clothes, shoes, and household items. I see women bargaining with the shopkeepers for saris and kurtas. Some children are pulling their mothers' hands, asking for toys and balloons. A small boy holds a red balloon and smiles brightly. The whole place feels cheerful and alive. In one corner, I find a flower seller. The flowers are fresh and beautiful. Red roses, white jasmine, and yellow marigolds are neatly arranged. The smell of jasmine fills the air. Many people buy flowers to take to the temple. I also buy a small garland of jasmine for my mother. She loves the smell of fresh flowers. After buying vegetables, fruits, and flowers, I feel a little tired. Luckily, there are food stalls in the market. I see a stall selling hot samosas, crispy pakoras, and sweet jalebis. The food smells delicious. I buy 1 samosa and eat it slowly. The spicy potato filling tastes so good. I also drink a glass of fresh sugarcane juice. It is cold, sweet, and refreshing. Eating snacks in the market is always a fun experience. While eating, I watch the people around me. The market is crowded, but everyone is busy and happy. Some people carry big bags filled with groceries. Some are still choosing vegetables carefully. The sellers are calling out loudly to attract more customers. The whole market looks like a busy movie scene. Once I finish eating, I check my shopping bag. I have tomatoes, onions, bananas, apples, and flowers. My bag feels heavy, but I feel satisfied. I start walking back home slowly. On the way, I see the sunset in the sky. The orange and pink colors of the evening sky make the market look even more beautiful. When I reach home, my family is happy to see the fresh vegetables and fruits. My mother smiles and says, "You bought everything we needed. Thank you." We wash the vegetables and fruits together. Then my mother starts cooking dinner with the fresh items. The smell of cooking fills the house. I feel proud because I helped by shopping at the market. Shopping at the market is not just about buying things. It is an experience of life. I see people, I talk to shopkeepers, I enjoy the colors and smells, and I learn about prices and money. Every visit teaches me something new. Sometimes I learn how to choose the best vegetables. Sometimes I learn how to ask for a discount politely. I also improve my speaking skills when I talk to different sellers. This weekly visit to the market has become a special part of my routine. It makes me more confident, more active, and more connected to my community. I believe markets are important places. They give us fresh food, they bring people together, and they create a cheerful environment. Next week, I will again visit the market with excitement. Maybe I will buy mangoes if they are available. Maybe I will try a new snack from the food stall. Whatever I do, I know that every market visit will give me joy, energy, and stories to share. Shopping at the market is truly one of the happiest activities in my life. Great job! Now you can talk about shopping at the market in English. Keep practicing daily to speak faster and more fluently. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English videos. See you.